Wanna know how to find digital root of a number in Java? So a digital root, which is basically summing a number's digit repeatedly until we get a single digit. So in this video, I'm just going to explain you how it works and how you can find it easily in Java just using some programming. So an example could be 9875 that we are using in this code, where 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 5 equals to 29, and 2 plus 9 equals to 11, and 1 plus 1 which equals to 2. So that's it. So in Java, we use a loop. While the number is greater than 9, we sum all its digits and then we replace the original number with the sum and the repeat. After the loop ends, the number left is the digital root. This method is super clean and useful in math-related programs. So you can just simply modify this code and use it as you want, and there you go, the results are OP as well. The digital root is 2 as we explained. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.